All right, good morning. Hey guys, and welcome to Forex Trading, your trading group. I'm Kram, my partner's Cash, and we're here to teach you guys everything day trading in these markets to start making you profitable on a daily basis. A quick disclaimer, we are not a buy or sell channel. Let me repeat that. We are not a buy or sell channel. We use technical and fundamental analysis to find potential opportunities in these markets to bank pips, which we then convert into money. Okay, so if you're looking for someone who's going to tell you buy now, sell now, you are on the wrong stream. But if you're looking for someone who's going to teach you how to successfully trade these Forex markets, and of course, if you're looking to trade the profitable Forex strategy live, then stick around, guys, because that's exactly what we're going to do. What's up, you guys? I hope you're having a good day. I hope you all had a good London session as well. I was a little caught up with work, so I wasn't able to join it myself, but I hope you guys had a good one. I hope you guys made your pips, and I hope you're happy coming into New York. Okay? Just give me a quick second. I'm just making a couple of adjustments to my chart, and I'm going to share my screen with you guys. Okay, I'm going to start to share my screen. Hope you guys can see my screen. This is gold. Excuse me. That's gold, you guys. Coming into some pretty bullish divergence. Don't get faked out. Alright, let's make an adjustment over here. Let's bring this down there. Let's bring this here. Okay. And this looks good the way it is. Let's see, so that's what I'm looking at on gold. If we happen to break our supply up there, naturally we're going to be getting into the buys. And if we want to break this region to the downside, this is where we could be getting into the sells. Okay, so that's gold. The indices, one-on-ones, y'all should be seeing a little something that we're trying to do right now. So we've basically just trapped it within this zone, and let's see the structure that we want to respect. Okay, we may get that move up to the supply, then move down here into demand. Bullish, bullish, potentially bullish, potentially bullish. Okay, so the indices, just based off of the information that we have on the charts, are potentially bullish. And let's take a look at gold. Gold's being held down by the 9 as of right now. Let's see. Okay, we've got some 5-minute resistance kicking in there. And divergence, bullish divergence on the RSI as well. Alright, so these are the charts. We do have some news that are that's gonna be kicking in. So let's make sure we're not going too crazy, okay, you guys? Y'all know us, news doesn't really matter to us because we're still looking to just scalp these markets, but don't be stupid, is all I'm trying to say, okay? Short-term scalps are going to be here, zone to zone, alright, and naturally your bigger position's going to be on the break of the structure down below, but this zone itself is about it's about a 20 pip, 25 pip move right there. Gonna put on some alerts. Okay, we're all set. Gotta say, I don't like anything today. Likewise, man. Just watching today. Okay, we don't have to jump into anything. Let's see if some opportunities come our way, and if they do, we'll try and capitalize. If not, it's all good. Okay, we don't have to stress about it, you guys. We do have unemployment claims that's gonna be out in the next about 4 minutes. Please be mindful. Please be careful. In case you guys don't get the move, it's all good. All right, you guys have market open to still dibble dabble with. All right, so it's something that you can always get done. Okay. All right. Is anyone in any trade as of right now? Anyone in on anything? Nothing at the moment. Waiting for news. Okay. All right. Gold's getting a nice little push. Okay. Let's see how they want to react up there. But that bottom where we picked up demand, nice little spot, man. If someone would have bought the market, bought the demand, you guys would be running pretty nicely on this candle. 31 pips. Okay, looking good. Let's see, alright, that's the structure break that I'm looking for the bullish move. This is the structure break that I'm looking for the bearish move on gold. Nasdaq starting to come down. Let's see, alright, if you guys don't feel comfortable getting in on this right now, y'all don't have to. It's news in the next minute and a half, and if you don't feel comfortable now, you don't have to. Okay, keep an eye out on your spreads as well, you guys. Spreads may go a little crazy. Please be careful. If you're getting in on the buys, you could have your stop loss for about 20 pips here and for about 15 pips in that region. Okay, look at Nasty. They're starting to do something. Nasty's dropping. If you want to wait for the close and the retest, do that. Alright? You don't need to be stressing out about anything. Okay, news in the next 10 seconds, you guys. Let's see what these markets want to do. Okay, this is news. Opening up bullish. Gold had a nice impulse. Alright, look at that. Starting to go bullish. Let's see if that's going to be a liquidity grab or if that's the move, okay? But be ready. And again, if you're going to be getting in on these sells, if you're going to be looking to get in on the sells, your stop loss for about 15 pips would be that. And if you're getting in for the buys, your stop loss would be that for about 12 pips. Nice. Gold has a nice impulsive push that's coming in. Looking good. Nasty's going bullish. I'm gonna wait for the candle to close, you guys. I'm not waiting. I'm not rushing into anything as of right now. I'm just gonna wait. Okay. Not feeling to trade impulse news today. You have no reason to trade it, buddy. Okay, indecision on the dirty and a nice bullish candle on Nasdaq. Gold hits TP1, TP2 sitting up there. Let's see. Oof, look at Nasdaq, man. Nasdaq's flying to TP. Flying. Who caught the buys? Did anyone catch the Nasdaq impulse? Okay, look at that. The US 30 is starting to as well. I'm gonna wait, you guys. I'm gonna wait for the first 5-minute candle to close. Anyone in on a Fila on gold? We have Filas across the board right now. Fila, and Fila. Okay, we've got Filas across the board. Is anyone in on any sort of Filas right now? Made my TP on Gold Impulse. Lovely, man. Stop trading, bro. If you're already done, you're already done. Discipline. Good stuff, buddy. Okay, let's see. Another minute and a half. I haven't taken anything as of right now, you guys. No trades. Just waiting and watching. Maybe we can catch a retest if it wants to happen. And that's on all of them, okay? Expect a nice retest, rejection, and a continuation. Retest, rejection, and a continuation. On US 30, we've almost, on Nasdaq, we've almost hit TP. So we've got to see if the moves still want to kick in. Okay, but look at that, man. US 30 is strong right now. Your impulses should be running about 15, 17 pips right now. Just letting you guys know. Look at Nasdaq pushing. We break that high on Nasdaq, and we're definitely going to start a push up into that region, possibly that region as well. Okay. Let's keep an eye on the indices. Looks like they're giving us the moves. You remember before the news kicked in, we got the confluences from here, and you guys had a pretty good idea this was going to be a bullish move, right? Just letting you all know. Okay. All right, new candle. Okay, Nasdaq's coming into some supply, but again, if we want to break those highs, we're looking good. Okay, that's the high we're looking to break. US 30. Let's see if they want to get a little bit of a retest going for the dirty. Okay. US 30 is making its move, you guys. US 30 is pushing. Did anyone get in on the dirty? You could have had a nice retest entry right over there. I missed it personally, but it's all good. Gold retest not giving us too much as of right now. Okay, they're starting to die out. Took US 30. Good stuff, buddy. This was a nice flagpole, accumulation, break, and it all depends on how we react to the supply up in our region, okay? Okay, coming back down for the retest on the Dow. Okay, there are pretty much retests happening everywhere right now. Let's see. I'm testing out a small position, you guys, at the rejection. Okay. Have a tight stop loss if you're doing this. You could have your stop loss at your entry point again. It's going to be about 10, 12 pips. Alright, but am I positioned somewhere in this region? Let's see. Okay, I'm going to have a pretty tight stop loss on it. Nothing too crazy, okay? Okay, look at that. Now they're starting to really come down. Let's see if they wanna. What I like to do in a time like this is I like to flip this over to demand, make it a nice green box, and maybe this is the head and shoulders, alright? Maybe the buys don't have more left in them. But we're gonna have to find out. It depends on whether they want to fill that zone up there. Gold. Nice. Alright, gold's having its zonal fill up there. You guys are in on gold. Good stuff. Congratulations. Okay, gold beautifully. Please tell me one of you guys got that retest done here. Look at how perfect that is. Literally, right? Boom, down, retest. If you would have bought this area, you should be running now, right? I mean, it gave you the exact entry retest, and that's beautiful. Trying to break that high and give you another 10 pips to the upside. Okay, the indices are starting to die out, you guys. It's not too much that's happening right now. Right, we have the 9 sitting right at our entry point. If anyone's in on a small position on this trade like I am, that should be our stop loss, okay? The EMA, which is also our entry point right now. It all depends on volume, you guys. We just need to see if we have enough volume to push. That's about it. If we have the volume, we'll get the move. If we don't have the volume, it'll probably be a market open move or something of that sort. You know what I'm saying? Okay. Let's see. They need to break it now if they're going to be doing this, okay? Gold rejected from 200. Still trying to close it above the 200 though, which could be nice. And they close it up there, boom, you could get a nice bit of a continuation, maybe up into this region, okay? Come on, indices, move a little bit. Making us sleepy. Okay, gold starting to come back down. What are the indices doing? Nothing. They look frozen to me. Right, clearly the buyers, they just don't have the momentum going into this right now. Very, very clearly, okay? So please be mindful, you guys. Be careful. Look at that. US 30 dropped right back down and they're pushing to the downside now. Let's see how this wants to react in and around our demand zone. Are we going to pick up bias from here, or are we going to start to maybe push to the downside, okay? Lovely gold W, I'm all out. Gold down hard. Ooh, nice. And got out from gold in time. Good. What do we think? Are we bullish or bearish on the indices, guys? What are we thinking? Are we bullish or bearish? Bearish on the indices? Okay. I see a lot of bearish. Okay, that's good. Okay. I do believe that we have some room to go up and hit TP up there. That is a possibility. It really all depends on how we respect this demand, right? If we start to break this demand, then undoubtedly we're going to start to come back down. But until then, we've got room here, guys. We've got room, okay? Because this zone, this structure, we're still within it, okay? So we're only going to know more when and if we happen to break this. Gold looking bearish now? Yep, looking very bearish. Okay, US 30, Nasdaq. Nasdaq's come right back into our consolidation zone. It's basically made the accumulation distribution now, and yeah, they're just trying. They're trying. Very, very choppy day, guys. It looks extremely chop. Okay, I am only in. Excuse me, guys. Sorry about that. I'm only in on a little buy position, like I told y'all, somewhere in this region. It's round about at break even right now, and it's a small position. It's $30 a pip. It's $30 a pip. Okay, I'm just reducing my lots. I'm going 1/10, and I'm just testing out the markets. $30 a pip. Let's see if we have momentum to break that high and fill that zone. All right. And what can we expect on Nasdaq? Possibly something like that. Okay, wait for a break, retest, rejection. And gold, expect gold to pick up buyers from here as well. Okay, there's a reason we have the demand zone sitting down here. Expect gold to pick up some buyers. Again, distribute some orders over here before they actually happen to break down and push to the downside. That's if they want to be bearish, okay? But there's some serious bullish divergence kicking in on gold on the 5 minutes. And this dates all the way back to these candles, okay? Some serious divergence over here. So the ones that are looking to sell gold, consider these things as well. Oof, they're getting so choppy, you guys. Look at that. I hate these candles. I hate these candles. They're getting super choppy. There's literally no volume right now. You know, it was one candle news, literally. The only thing that really came in was that impulse candle, and I think gold gave us a little bit of a move. But apart from that, there isn't too much going on with these markets right now. Give me a quick second, guys. I'm just gonna be back, okay? No freaking volume, you guys. I hate this. I hate this. Dead markets. That's what it is. Dead markets. Okay, a little bit of momentum kicking in on the dirty. It's pretty much just back and forth. Okay, maybe Nasty is about to give us a move, but expect some sideways trading within that trap zone that we have between the RD and the 4H before the move actually happens. Okay, expect some of that. I see the US 30 building into a little bit of a pennant right now. Cheers, Kyle. Oh, I'm literally just watching you guys. What a boring session, man. What a boring session. There's nothing happening. No volume. It's been tough to stick the strategy due to impulse being the move mainly recently. That's not true, buddy. I'm not in on the impulse myself. If you saw, my only entry today was on a retest, and I'm in with a small position. So it's not really about trading the impulses. Trading the impulses is good when you have an understanding of what the markets, when you're biased about being bullish or bearish is strong, based off of confluences. That's when trading the impulse is good. But me personally, today these markets have been very choppy this week, and I'm in on a retest. I haven't traded no impulses, so if I don't do it, you guys have no reason to be doing it as well. You know what I'm saying? The impulses are not always a gamble. When you have confluences, good enough. Absolutely, trade the impulses as long as you have risk management. Okay. Okay, finally a little bit of sellers kicking in. Already lit, buddy. Already lit. Maybe market open moves for sure. For sure. Real talk, the gains. Real talk, brother. Let's see, guys. Nasdaq's starting to look good, but expect some freaking chop, man. Not even kidding. Maybe the Ali swap brings in a move. I mean, it's possible, but as of right now, there's really no volume in these markets. Okay, we can see they're not doing too much at all. Okay, bearish momentum kicking in. Let's see if they're going to respect the demand zone on the dirty. You know how I know it's going to be a good session? Whenever I see people think that the session is going to be boring and they leave one by one, and I've done a lot of these sessions by now, you guys, and I've realized by the time we reach the 25 number, that's when the move really kicks in. All right? It's all good. It's all good, 25 of us will end up banking on it when it happens, and patience pays off in these markets, okay? It's good. It's already starting to happen, okay? Because we have people leaving the stream slowly. Okay. They closed in a box of demand on the dirty. Alright? They're starting to push it down, you guys. They're starting to push it down straight up. Okay. Nasdaq sells could be kicking in. Watch out, it's only an impulse. Alright, so you guys don't want to be going too crazy on this. Remember, it's only and impulse. We have the early momentum that's going to come in within the next 3 minutes, you guys. Let's see if they want to give us any moves with the early, okay? But look at that solid, dirty rejection on Nasty. Let's see if it wants to even close in our box, okay? Yep, the rejection. That's correct, buddy. Dirty rejections. A minute and 30 to go. Let's see, you guys. Look at that. They made Nasdaq a freaking green candle. It doesn't get dirtier than that. Solid rejection on Nasdaq. Let's see how this last minute wants to go by in these markets. Rejection coming in on the dirty as well. We're getting wicked up on the dirty. We're waking it up across the board, okay? Let's see how these last 30 seconds want to play. 15 seconds, my bad. Alright, let's see if Nasty wants to close in our box. And maybe get a continuation push to the downside. 5 seconds. Gold's doing something. Oof, look at that. Gold's dropping. Gold's dropping. If anyone was trading gold, you guys should be making some money on that. Okay. Dirty's starting to drop. Just there's literally no early momentum that's coming in as well, you guys, right now. No early momentum, no nothing. These markets are just being extremely choppy right now. No volume, okay? Gold is giving the move. Oh, well, we thought gold was giving the move, but it's not. Okay, look at that. And of course, they faked it. The buys are coming in. There's going to be some demand over here. They're not ready yet. They're not ready for the move yet. Nasty is disgusting. I agree. Everything is right now. Everything is. Don't fall into this trap, you guys. Just don't trade it. It's just that simple. Me, myself, I'm in on one position and I'm just holding that position. This one, like I said, nothing too much. Just holding on to it, just chilling, and just seeing how these markets want to start to play. Nasdaq currently is hovering around our EMA. US 30 is also trying to maybe go above that and push up, or get rejected from this and start a push down. One of the two, okay? Ugh, these are so dead, you guys. Seems like it's gonna be a market open sort of a move, if the move even wants to kick in for market open. Nasdaq's just trying to range within this, okay? Don't let Nasdaq fake you out. It's not ready right now. It's clearly not ready right now. Don't get faked out into it, okay? Gold? Wow. Gold's giving you guys the move, okay? Gold's giving you guys the move. Did anyone catch gold? It's so freaking choppy today, you guys. I hate this. I truly hate these markets right now. Frosty, congratulations, buddy. Gold's going to fill that imbalance at a higher time frame support and this wick right here. Okay, that's what gold is looking to do. If you guys are in on this, go for y'all. Oil is bleeding. Alright, if Nasty ends up breaking that, they're going all the way back up, okay? Just letting you guys know. If Nasty breaks that. This area is key. Okay. Probably gonna start coming back down. I told you guys, okay, this region, we're definitely gonna have some chop. Don't worry, the number of people are dropping on the stream. Little by little, slowly but surely, which means the move's coming. Okay? Okay, Nasdaq starting to go bullish. extremely choppy, you guys. I do not like these markets at all. Straight up, don't be trading this. I myself am in on one small position and I'm just trying to see if it's going to give me anything. You guys need to know what markets y'all should be trading and what markets y'all shouldn't be trading, and this one most certainly is one that y'all shouldn't be trading. Okay, just don't do it. It's not worth it. It's really not worth it. You have to put yourself through the emotions. You have to put yourself through the roller coaster. Um, it's just really not worth it. Okay, and now of course Nasdaq's starting to get rejected. US 30 is testing out demand. They're playing games right now, you guys. That's all they're doing. They're playing games. And you know who gets trapped into this? The retail. They're the ones that suffer with all of this drama that the market makers do. Let's look at gold. What's gold doing? Let's look at gold in this region for the buys in case they want to come there, okay? I'll put an alert down here. And of course, if they want to bleed, then you guys know where we're going down to. Okay, so as I can see right now, US 30. Let's see if we want to respect that trend line. Nasty's starting to play its games again, starting to push back down. DXY skyrocketing, okay. Nasdaq's gonna pick up demand from here again, you guys, I'm telling y'all. It's going to try and pick up demand from here again. We've got 20 seconds. Let's see if it wants to close in our box. If it doesn't close in our box, it's pretty much going to pick up demand again. Just letting you guys know. Okay, new candle. They're trying to go bearish. They close below the EMA. Come on, Nasdaq. Let's see you drop. US 30. Okay. Still on the trend line. Okay, Nasdaq's trying. Gold. Went down and filled that imbalance. Beautiful. Okay, so let's maybe fix up gold now, and let's look at maybe that region for the buys on gold. Okay. Ugh, where's the volume at? I hate this. So freaking slow, you guys. So freaking slow. Yes. Yes, Tasu. If it breaks that, then 100% it's gonna drop more. But expect demand to come in from there. Nasdaq's trying to respect that right now. Trying, but let's see if they're gonna be able to do it. Hmm. Okay, watch out for that region on gold. What do you guys think? Is Nasdaq gonna give us a fake again? Okay, USD starting to drop, you guys. Maybe the sells are gearing in. Okay, Nasty's trying, Nasty's trying. Okay, new candle opens up. Let's see if they want to break that wick on Nasdaq. This is also the last 15-minute candle before news, okay? Okay, Nasdaq's trying, you guys. They're going down to hit TP. Close, no retest, and just a push to the downside. They're trying, though. Okay, Nasdaq's dropping. Anyone in on Nasdaq, you guys? Anyone in on Nasdaq? Okay, now let's see if US 30 wants to pick up some demand from down there, straight up. If it doesn't, coming back down to our daily support. All right. Gosh, these markets are so slow, you guys. I hate it. So freaking slow. Nasty being horrible again. Thankfully got out at BE. Good. Good. A BE trade's a good trade. We've still got about 11 minutes to market open. Cash says that we're about to go oversold on the 4H time frame on Nasdaq. But again, that means that it could be a bounce off from the 30, or we could start to actually go oversold and get the bearish move. Okay. But right now, these markets, they're not doing too much. They're just being choppy. They're hitting the retail stop losses, and they're potentially gearing up for the bigger move that is yet to happen. Cram, is it possible that at market open, Nasty does liquidity grab shot, then pump from... Possible, buddy. It's possible. Anything can happen, especially when there's so much of a range in these candles based off of the wicks. Literally anything can happen. Alright, so be careful. Just use the right risk management so that you're not over leveraging anything. Okay? Always be calculated with your lots, with your pips, and with your risk in percentage. US 30, testing out that bearish mark over there. Nasty is trying to drop down again. Maybe trying to make a little bit of a wick fill. Okay, Nasty dropping, Nasty dropping. Expect Nasdaq to pick up some demand from our green box down there. Let's take a look at gold. I haven't seen gold in a bit. Gold's entering a potential entry for the buys, the reversals. Okay. Watch for that zone. And a break above. US 30 going up to retest the same trend line. We could get rejected from there, or we could start to push higher. And Nasdaq is being Nasdaq. Let's take a look at the higher time frames on Nasdaq. 15s. Okay. They're attempting to go oversold. This is what Cash was talking about, okay? We could get a little bit of a bounce back from here, but if not, and they break from here, guys, that could be a pretty steep sell-off if that happens. Okay? Okay, so US 30 looks like it's not able to break that trend line. Could it for market open? Yes, it could. All right. Could it go right back up? 100% it could. But as of right now, the volume is just not there. Okay. They're trying really hard, but they're just not able to bring in volume. All right. And we're also so close to market open, 7 minutes. We have a lot of traders that are probably liquidating their positions right now because they don't want to be getting caught in any chop, and they just don't want to sort of they don't want to jeopardize their accounts. Right now, that being said, you guys don't want to be doing that either. Y'all are seeing how choppy these markets are being today. Just don't fall into the trap. Okay, let them do their thing. If the moves come, the moves come. If they don't, it's all good. And please watch out for your spreads as well. Your spreads could be going crazy closer to market open. Guys, keep an eye on the 4H Nasdaq RSI for me, okay? Keep an eye on it. Last 5-minute candle before market open. Bullish or bearish for gold? Depends, bro. If we break out of this, it'll be bullish. If we break out of here, it'll be bearish. Listen, as scalpers, as technical traders, we're ready for both the buys and the sells, right? So we don't predict these markets. We don't tell you guys whether it's going to be bullish or bearish. What we do is we identify the buy and the sell structure, and we put on both for you guys. And then we just let price do its thing. I'm guessing a lot of people want to see the indices. So let's have the indices open. I personally am into the indices right now as well. Nasdaq's going in for liquidity. Possibly. Alright, they could definitely start a buyback. Okay, US 30 starting to go bullish as well. Let's see if the US 30 wants to close up in our box for market open, okay? They're trying to make the moves now though, you guys. Alright, these are the pre-market open moves. Okay, US 30 is picking up some momentum. Look at that. Like we said, we do have room. I told you guys this a while back. We have room to fill that up there as well. Okay. Right, market open in the next 2 minutes. Maybe in the next 2 minutes we just get that fill. And then we're going to start to possibly drop, okay? Anything's possible. What trades are we in right now, you guys? Are we in on anything or are we just watching? Looking at gold? Okay. Watching the dirty. Yeah, me too. I'm watching the dirty too. You guys know it. I've already been in on this trade for quite some time. Small position. $30 a pip. And I'm just sort of trying to see it. Okay. It's in profit right now, so I am going to change it to break even. Because I have no reason not to, especially if there's going to be a liquidity grab or anything of that sort for market open. Okay, I just changed it to break even. And let's see what they do for market open, you guys. Let's see what they do, okay? They're trying to fill that gap. See in the next 15 seconds. Are we going to get rejected or are we going to continue to push to the upside? They got rejected. Alright, straight up, they got rejected. Look at Nasty. If Nasty drops from there, guys, we're gonna... Oh, look at that freaking drop on Nasdaq. Okay, be careful, though. Please be careful. Y'all know what could happen at times like these. Please be careful. Look at those liquidity grabs. Ugh, fucking dirty, you guys. So dirty. Look at that. Again, if we break that low, we're pushing lower on Nasdaq. And if we break that high, we're pushing higher on the dirty. Alright, I'm almost going to get stopped out on this position. Too flashy for me, you guys. I'm not trading this. Not into it. Too erratic? You're right, Lucky. Not happening. Let them mess around as much as they like. We're not falling into none of these traps, okay? Just, it's indecision. That's all it is. It's indecision. We have wicks going both ways. And as you guys know, wicks don't lie. Okay. Look at the buys kicking in on Nasty. So I'm guessing they bounced off of the 30 on the RSI on the 4H. Alright, they picked up some demand, they picked up some buyers from there. But still, wait for the first candle to close, okay? Because these markets, they haven't given us anything yet. Tough luck to the people that were selling Nasdaq here, man. Straight up. Like the people that were selling Nasdaq there. Yep. The break of this region, right? EMA comes down, break that region, maybe create a higher high. But nothing right now, you guys. Nothing right now. Literally. There's no reason for anyone to be in on any trade. I got stopped out on this position that I was holding since the stream started, and it's all good. Alright? It was a break-even trade for me. Risk-free trade. I'm not stressing about it. Let's look at gold. That's what I thought. Okay, potential entry coming in on gold. Nice demand that we've built in over here. Okay, for the ones trading gold, watch it. Look at Nasty, Dirty, nice double top, and maybe we get a break. 30 seconds to go. Let's see how this candle wants to close, you guys. If you guys are going to be getting in on gold somewhere over here, what should your stop loss be? Your stop loss should be about 30 pips. Okay. Oh, it's so choppy, you guys. So choppy, so choppy. I don't like it. I just got in on a feeler. A small feeler for gold. For the buys. Alright, but looking at gold right now. Okay, gold's going bullish. Look at that. Gold's pushing. Gold's pushing, you guys. Oof, look at that move on gold. Solid move on gold. Solid move on gold, okay? Oh, look at Nasdaq as well. It's starting to fly. Gold gave the move, man. It did. Gold gave the move, okay? change your stop loss to break even. So change your stop loss to that region. Nasty pushing. Nasty is pushing higher. Is anyone in on Nasdaq? We do have the EMA that we're trying to cross. I got stopped at BE before it flew. Fair enough. But gold's still moving, man. Damn it, damn it, damn it. I wish I'd gotten in with a bigger position here. But the ones, Manoj Kumar, you're making money on gold. Good stuff, buddy. Alright, beautiful entry, push. And you should be running. Oops, my bad. You should be running by approximately about 20 pips on this move right now. This is how we scalp these markets, you guys. Price action, scalping, this is all that there is to it. Christ, look at what Nasdaq did. Okay, that's what Nasdaq did. Rejected. Give me a quick second, you guys. Just need to check something real quick. I'm grateful for not taking any aggressive trades today. Good. You should be. These markets, they always do this, you guys. They always do this. Patience is everything. Like I said, right? If you have patience, you're going to make money. It's as simple as that. Okay, retest on gold. Let's see if you're going to get a rejection and a push. Still a retest on gold. Let's look at the RSI. Could still be bullish. Looks like it's trying to respect demand. Okay, I'm gonna call it a session in the next 3 minutes, you guys. Extremely slow day, there's not too much happening anyway. We do have the 200 and the 9. We're in between it right now, so let's see if we want to hold at that 9, because if it doesn't, then we're starting to push back down, okay? So maybe you could treat this as your retest as well, if they hold at that 9. Okay, they're not holding, you guys. They're not holding. Alright, I'm going to be on for another minute, and I'm going to get off, okay? $40 on Nasdaq. Congrats, Manoj. That's good stuff, buddy. Cheers. Let's see what the indices did. Oh, wow. Okay, that's what Manoj made money on. The break of that. Beautiful. Beautiful. Look at this, right? Okay, for the people that are new on here, what did I tell you guys? Just open up Zoom and see how many people are on this call right now. Literally, see how many people are on this call. It's .30, okay? And when is the move kicking in? At that time, all right? What did Nasdaq do? Nasdaq gave us an impulse, a retest, a rejection, break of previous structure, and then a push. Entry number 2, retest, rejection, break of previous structure, and push. Entry number 3, retest, rejection, break a previous structure, and then push. Right, so Nasdaq's actually making the moves. Okay, gold. Ugh, gold's pushing. They picked up. They picked up from the EMA, and now they're pushing higher. Boom, fuck. Is anyone in on gold? Anyone in on gold? Beautiful move on gold as well. Same story. Break, retest, rejection, break a previous structure, and we're pushing. Anyone making some money on gold? Moves kick in when people stop believing in it. Facts, my man. Facts. That's why the retail keeps losing money in these markets, right? Because they see everything very superficially. You know what I'm saying? For them, everything is just at the surface level. You know, they don't dig deep. They don't think of the possibilities. They don't think of the stuff that can actually play out. All right, but it's that's why we're technical traders. That's why we're the army of millionaires. I'm on gold. I'm on gold. Good stuff. Beautiful move on gold as well. Okay, retested exactly our entry point. Made 1% today by just trading and watching gold. Good session today. Awesome, man. Congratulations. And Nasdaq's going to the upside. Cram, how did you set the buys on the gold right there, right below the demand that just flipped to supply? Here, because we were dropping down so much, bro, so I just basically caught the bodies. These bodies are lined up with these bodies, which showed me there was a nice order block that was sitting here. It seemed like a good entry. And again, if we had enough momentum, we could have broken. this as well. So my anticipation was the impulse candle will push above the supply zone at the time, and it did, and then the move would really kick in. But I just got this based off of the bodies and based off of the solid red candles that we had coming in. Look at that, man. Gold is lovely. Gold's lovely, literally. Give us the move. $50 move on gold. 51 pips on gold. And still pushing. Alright, guys. Look at Nasdaq as well. Entry number 3 gave it to you all as well. I hope you guys made some money. Today was a lovely session. Everything played out. I did my thing, and I got some pips for myself too. All right. I hope you guys got pips as well. And listen, we do this as a free service to you all. I know you guys made money today, so make sure to go ahead and post up some success stories for us. Okay, it's not too much to ask for. We do this for free. All we ask for in return are some success stories and some Twitter posts. Okay, I want to see those success stories rolling in. And in case I'm gonna give you guys a number today. I mean it. All right. I know there are 27 of y'all, so I'm not gonna be unrealistic. But if I don't get 15 success stories, straight up, I'm not doing New York tomorrow. I'm gonna call it an early weekend. I hate doing this, you guys, but a lot of you guys are just, not really listening to us. When it comes to trading, when it comes to the trades, you'll listen to us. But when it comes to us asking y'all something in return, no one wants to do it. I'm going to keep counting, all right? 15 success stories. If it's not going to be there by the end of the day, straight up, I don't care if the schedule has it. I'm just not showing up for the lives tomorrow. Simple, all right? It's up to Cash if she wants to do London for y'all. But I have had an exhausting week, and I'd rather just rest it out, okay? So if you guys do want another session tomorrow, make sure there are 27 of y'all right now. I'm certain 15 of y'all can go ahead and put on a success story. It doesn't matter if you guys made money. It doesn't matter if you guys made fake money, real money, whatever it is that you were doing, as long as you picked up some value from the session, okay? 15 success stories, or I'm going to tell Millzone to edit the schedule, and we're going to not have the session tomorrow, and we're going to go into the weekend early, okay? Awesome. Can't wait tomorrow morning, 101 man. Cheers, space. I'll catch you in the next couple of hours. Thank you guys so much. This was an awesome session, and it is what it is, all right? I hope you guys made your money. Hopefully, I see you all tomorrow for New York. In case I don't get what I just asked for, I'm going to see you guys on Monday, alright? Thank you so much. My name is Kram, my partner is Cash and Millzone, and this is Forex Trading. You guys signing out. Peace. Bye.